So, good day, sir. So, I am Cloyd Umbogan. So, I am the first to discuss the topic that you give us, sir. So, first, the traffic signs. The traffic signs are important tools used on roads to guide, warn, and regulate drivers and pedestrians. They help maintain safety, order, and smooth traffic flow. So, alam naman natin na ang mga traffic sign ay importante talaga, lalo na sa mga drivers natin. Kasi ito ang nagbibigay basihan nila kapag sila ay nagmamaniho at ito rin ang nagbibigay babala para maiwasan ang mga aksidente sa daan. Din nagbibigay tulong din ito para maging maayos ang daloy ng mga sasakyan sa daanan. So yun din, in traffic signs is there are three main categories, which is regulatory signs, warning signs, and the guide or informational signs. So first, I will discuss the regulatory signs. So regulatory signs tells drivers about laws and rules that must be followed while driving. They show what you must do or must not do on the road. So in regulatory sign, ito ay ang mga rules na sinusunod ng mga drivers while nagmamaniho sila. Din dito ay upang malaman ng mga nagmamaniho kung ano ang gagawin nila or kung ano ang hindi nila dapat gawin. Din in regulatory signs is meron din itong common colors, which is red, stop or prohibition. Din white with black or red symbols are regulations. Meron din itong common shapes, the octagon, which means stop sign, inverted triangle, yield or give way. Then vertical rectangle is the rules or instructions. Then meron akong example sa regulatory signs. First is the stop. Drivers must completely stop before proceeding. So alam naman natin yung stop, dapat huminto tayo. Then no parking. Parking is not allowed in that area. Do not enter. Vehicles cannot enter the road or area. Then speed limit 60, maximum driving speed is 60 km per hour. Dapat yung takbo mo lang ay dapat sa 60 km per hour lang. Then no U-turn. U-turns are not allowed. Di tayo pwede lumiko. The next is the warning signs. So warning signs alert drivers to possible dangers, road condition, or changes ahead so they can slow down and be cautious. So in warning signs is dito ay upang maging aware ang mga nagmamaniho kung may mga possible danger man